Everybody. Um, so on Python, we're going to do Code Academy, and due to a recent change, we're going to move on to Python 2 rather than Python 3. If you forgot how to get there, we go to Python, then for the Python courses, we select free here, then you'll see Python 2. Then you click on it. Then it should ask you if you want to start the course. You click that you want to start the course, and then you'll be sent to the course. So we're going Python 2 isn't that much different to Python 3. It has the same types of code that you need to learn, and similar syllabus. So we'll start the course. So let me quickly pause on my screen. Okay, so here we are. So everyone knows the famous Hello World. This one, I'll do this one very quickly because this is easy. Everyone probably knows how to do this. So let's read the instructions. If programming is the act of teaching a computer to have a conversation with a user, it would be the most useful to first teach the computer how to speak. In Python, this is accomplished by the print statement. I assume all of you know the print statement is basically um you type out the word print, um then you surround, you get brackets, you also get your speech marks, and you also implement the text that you want the computer to redirect and exhibit, and so you can see it. So right here, yeah, print hello world. A print statement is the easiest way to get your Python program to communicate with you. Being able to command this communication will be one of the most valuable tools in your programming toolbox. Now, of course, the instructions using the print statement, that'll put a message of your choosing in the terminal. Okay, so in the terminal, of course, we have um this text. So we can basically say anything. Let's just start off easy, just print. So of course you need to type out print. Remember, um, no capitals, no capitals, just lowercase print. And of course, so we can get the text out. Let's put our brackets there. Let's also put speech marks, and let's all just type out a phrase. Let's say I love Python. So if we run this, of course it will come up with I love Python. This is a very easy first bit into it. I think everyone already understands the concept of the print tool. So we'll move on quickly. Print statements. Of course, so there are two different types of Python versions, Python 2 and Python 3 used throughout the globe. Most significant difference between the two is showing how you write the print statement. In Python 3, print has parentheses. Of course, the one before had no parentheses. I suggest that you should get used to using the one with parentheses. It's the most known way to type out a print statement. So of course here, print hello world, also a different phrase or sentence. Um, and of course, same thing, implement your parentheses and the speech marks, then just say um let's say I want to learn a lot
Excuse me,
about
please, we can't hear you
code.
well.
Hello?
Listen, please, I can't hear you well.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Okay, I'll keep going. So just if you want to put um just a basic sentence, print I want to learn a lot about code. If you run that, it'll come up with it. It's just the showcasing the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. So let's go. Okay, so strings. Python. We are supplying a Python is considered a specific type of data called a string. Wait, if you can just hold on for 1 minute while
Should we try free trial? Should we click free trial?
All right. Ignore back. He's just trying to get a bad connection, so you just have to wait a bit.
Okay, I'm here. I'm back. So back to the explanation. Um, text in Python is considered a specific type of data called a string. A string is a string so named as a series of letters, numbers, symbols, anything like that. But all in a connected order and threaded together. And they can be defined in different ways. So if you see this here, this is of course a normal print statement. And if you can see, this is a good string. Yeah, and print. You can use single quotes or double quotes for a string. Each one is fine. Above, we printed two things that are strings, and then attempted to print two things that are not strings. While double quotes and single quotes are both acceptable, ways to define strings. A string needs to be it needs to be opened and closed by the same type of quote. No. So if we can look at this example here, this string is combined into multiple strings using the plus symbol. So this is and plus a good string. Then the code will print out this is a good string. So I think it's important to um differentiate what is a string and what is not a string, what is acceptable. So if you can read this bit of this paragraph over here real quickly, and then we'll move on to the um code.
Excuse me. Hello.
Okay, so let's move on to the code.
Excuse me.
Yes,
I can't really see your screen.
can everyone else see my screen?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
On the yes.
No.
Okay,
No.
I'll just quickly stop sharing and I'll reshare.
Yeah.
On the like, because I was following along, and then like it says on that when it got to the strings part, it says to do the free trial or go back to syllabus. But I don't know what to do. So I don't
So
know.
can everyone see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I made it quite bigger now. Sorry.
Um, it's like, so I don't know like what to pick because it says choose free trial or go back to syllabus.
Are you on Python 2?
No, on Python
Uh,
3.
Said
No, we
I'm on
changed to
Python
Python
2.
2. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm on Python 3, I said.
yeah, so
How do we get to Python 2?
Please, how do we log in into the
how do you go back to
site
Python 3? Because I saw
right
Python.
now?
Okay, I'll explain it again. So let me quickly.
Okay.
Okay, so to get onto Python 2, but first of all, does anyone need help logging in?
Yeah, I need help. I'm in the site you are in right now, I'm there, but I don't know how to log in into the explanation you're making.
Okay, so I'll quickly explain to the login as well.
Shit.
Okay, so if you have no account, you can click sign up. Remember, go to Code Academy. It will probably bring you to the login, but in the top right corner, just press sign up. Then you can go in with your email, go in with your password, and you can then sign up into it. If you have an email, you can just implement your email and sign up with it. Maybe you might want to also ask your parents to sign up for you. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I found the Python 2.
Okay, now to get onto Python 2. So first of all, it will bring you to your dashboard. This is not where you will get Python 2, but from here, you can see on the top right here, you can see catalog. So you press on catalog, then you go to Python right here. It should be the first one.
Yes.
Then it should bring you to all the Python courses. You scroll down and in the filter, select price free. Then in the first few results, it should put Python 2. If you see Python 3, don't click Python 3, do Python 2. Then once you click it, it will give you an option whether you want to start the course or not. Press that you want to start the course, then you should start the course. Is that clear?
Yes.
No.
Okay, nice. So we'll resume the Python. Okay, so strings. So now we'll go into the instructions. Try adding your name to the print statement with the operator, the plus operator, so that this Python program will print hello then your name. Okay, so let's first off try these. So let's do print and let's do hello, and David because my name is David. And then let's also do another string that is combined to another string using the plus operator, the plus symbol operator. So let's do print so you can see the plus operator in between the two speech marks. So let's say let's say I don't know, this is a good day. Pardon?
Please, I'm really sorry. I had an issue with my laptop. So please, are we gonna click the lesson hello world or the quiz hello world?
Pardon?
Are we gonna click the lesson hello world or the quiz hello world?
Oh, to get into the Python 2 course.
Yes.
Well, it should I think if you just do start course, it should just bring you to the first lesson of the syllabus, which should be Hello World.
Okay.
So just try it.
Thank you very much.
And if anybody else has any questions, 10 minutes towards the end of this meeting, we'll be able to answer any of those. So let's go with this. Let's just say I'm good
Sir,
at yeah.
today are we gonna go into breakout room?
No, there's not gonna be any breakout rooms today.
Oh, okay. So is that gonna be next week?
Yes, I think so. I think there's a high chance of breakout rooms next week.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I show you where I am at because I'm not at Python 2 and I don't know how to get there.
Can we please finish this lesson before we go on to the questions afterwards, if that's okay with you?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So anyone else who has any questions, we'll put them on hold until the final 10 minutes of this lesson. Okay. So let's just say for the string we put I'm good at plus coding Python. So if we put that and run it, you can see the string here, hello David, and we can also see the combining strings here with the the plus operator. I'm good at coding Python. So you can see that both these strings have been added together to be displayed as one full sentence. Does anyone have any questions for this one?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Instead of putting a plus sign, why do you don't put it in like print like the first one? In
Oh,
Hello
okay.
David, you don't put a plus there. Why do you put a plus in I'm good at coding Python?
Oh, no. Okay, so first of all, the parentheses are two different types of Python, the Python 2 and Python 3. The one that we're doing now is Python 2. Of course, it's not the same as we're normally accustomed to putting the parentheses around, but it still works that way. And the Hello David is just a singular string over here. And the print I am good at plus the operator coding Python is just a collected bind of strings. You don't have to do this all the time. It's just a different way you can do your strings and all of that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me. I
Yeah.
entered the
Like
place site you said, but I'm only seeing Python 3.
Sorry, but we're going to answer these questions in 8 minutes from now. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll keep moving on. Okay, handling errors. As we get more familiar with the Python programming language, we run into errors and exceptions. These are complaints that Python makes when it doesn't understand what you want it to do. Everyone runs into these issues, so it's it's a good habit to read and understand them. Here are some common errors that we might run into while printing things. So under here you can see print mismatch quotes will cause a syntax error. Of course, this is already explains it. So you can see at the front over here, there's a double quote, and at the end is a single quote, and without quotes will cause a name error. So that type of error will be called a name error. If the quotes are mismatched, Python will notice this and inform you that your code has an error in its syntax because the line has ended, called an EOL. Before the double quote that is supposed to close the string appeared, the program will abruptly stop running with the following message: syntax error, EOL, while scanning the string literal. So of course the line ended because Python has found a problem within the code which is called an EOL, and it will completely stop running the program, and it will show this error message. This means that the string wasn't closed or wasn't closed with the same quote character that started it. So also remember to put the same type of quote in your code. If you started off with a double quote, end with one. If you started with a single one, end with a single quote as well. Another issue you might run into is attempting to create a string without quotes at all. Python treats words not in quotes as commands, like the print statement. If it fails to recognize these words as defined in Python or by your program elsewhere, Python will complain the code has a name error. This means that Python found what it thinks is a command, but does not know what it means because it's not defined anywhere. Okay, so does everyone understand that?
Yes.
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 Yeah,
I have
definitely.
it.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put this to the test. Let's quickly finish this code right here. So our instructions are to debug these two errors right here. So can somebody quickly raise their hand up and also answer? So we have Jimmy.
What
Do you
was
want to answer?
what was the question again?
So the question the instructions are written over here to that they've written two print statements that will raise errors. One has mismatched quotes and the other has no quotes at all. So if does anybody know how to solve this one? I'll just read from the raised hands. Jimmy, do you know how to solve the first one?
Yeah.
Can you talk me through it?
Yeah. So for the first one, if you look under like after the question mark,
Yes.
it's like a single quotation mark. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you delete that one and put a double one. Like, yeah, a double one.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yes.
And and then
That
for
should
the
be correct.
Yeah.
Can we have somebody else to do the second one? So I'll call upon Emmanuel K.
There's a missing quote mark in the first one, so you need to
Which
add
quote should I put?
speech marks.
So where?
Before you and after the exclamation mark.
Nice. Like that?
Yeah.
So do you think it will work when we run it?
Yes.
Okay. So looks like we've successfully debugged the program. Now that they both have their quotes in the right place and everything is settled, you can see that it's displayed as the two different phrases and everything is fixed and completed. So this lesson now concludes the Python lesson for today. Now I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to be taking any answers, questions or anything you need to get into the course or anything like that. So if everyone can lower their hand and raise their hand up from now to ask a question. Can Yanu please ask away?
Can I share my screen because I don't know how to get on Python 2 because it's not showing up.
Yes, go ahead, it's fine.
It only shows Python 3 here.
Okay, so can you go down? Can you go down to Can you go down?
To do what?
Can you press on the filters paid? I mean no,
Where?
free.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's here?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
If anybody has any more questions, can you raise their hand up? David?
When you're doing the codes, it says there's a problem with it, but I don't see the problem.
Do you want to share your screen? Hello?
Okay. I just deleted the code I done before, but before I put this code, I just said track back mostly record call file script by line 3 in module input hello. I don't know what I've done wrong.
First of all, inputs aren't really used for printing it out. Inputs are mainly used for variables.
Oh.
So yeah, I don't think it's going to work if you just put input hello, because they're used for displaying variables. So for example, if you had let's say variable equals let's say Python, when you put input variable, then it will display Python.
Okay. Thank you.
Does anyone else have any questions?
No. I'm right at I'm right at Python 2, but I don't know how to code. It's
What do you
confusing.
need help with?
No, there'll be a print at the front before you can type any code word you want to say. But my own place is blank.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Please, how did I share the screen?
There should be a green share screen button
Oh,
on the bottom.
why are you? Can you see it?
No.
I have
Can you see it?
no.
Not quite yet.
No.
Oh, I can see it now.
You can see it now.
Yes.
There's no this is not showing this print. Am I gonna like tap the print out? It's showing that's an error. Is that what I'm gonna do?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Do you need help with anything else?
How can I share my screen?
Just click the unshare button that's on top of the screen you're sharing.
Thanks.
Yeah, there.
I didn't really understand how to do the print statement.
Hello, Mr. Dave.
Okay, do you want to share your screen? Hello, you wanted help with the print statement.
Who was he talking to
Because
you?
I didn't really understand.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen, or do you want me to explain it?
I just wanted to explain it. Thank you.
Okay, so let me quickly. Okay, print statements. So first of all, there are two different types of print statements that we can do in this course. We can do the one from Python 2, which is this one, where we have no parentheses, or the one from Python 3, where we do have parentheses. But first of all, first of all, we should start off with just print. So remember, just print, no capital at the start, just lowercase print. And then say that we wanted to use parentheses or brackets within our code. We just put the brackets where it should come up with both of them automatically. Then we can go ahead to also put quotes. It doesn't matter if it's single or double. I use double for this one. And so at the moment now we have print with lowercase. We have brackets, and within the brackets we have a pair of quotes as well. And within those pair of quotes, we write our text. So if I write, I love Python. So right now we have print, brackets, then we have the quote, and within the quotes we have the text. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good, okay. So is anyone else in need of help?
All right. Thank you, everyone. And that's all we can take for today because we need to transition to another call. Thank you, everyone, for joining the call. It's been a sweet journey this evening. Very calm. I really love this bunch. I keep saying it. Thank you, David and Joshua, for taking us through
You're welcome.
cybersecurity and Python. And it was very clear, even to we novice. Cheers, everyone. Thank you for all those that contributed and those that were silent on the call too. We appreciate you, but I'm happy that a lot of people, were active and was participating. So thank you. And thank you to all the parents that stayed also to try to get us on. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your evening. And don't forget what we spoke about. Make sure you have fun tomorrow for those of you going out. But for those of you not going out, enjoy yourself at home, okay? All right, bye, everyone.
I'm cold and at home.
Bye.
Bye.
I had a holiday already, so I'm bored at
Peace.
home.
Bye.
Bye.